So the start of most of your crochet projects is the chain. To make the chain, start by doing your slip knot and then put your hook through your loop. Make sure that your tail is hanging down, your working yarn is to the side. Practice with some good tension. You don't want it too tight or too loose, but you want even chain throughout to make your pattern look better. The more you practice, the better it'll get. So you're gonna yarn over, which put the yarn over your hook, grab the yarn and pull through your loop. And that's one chain. So you yarn over, grab your yarn, pull it through the hook. Yarn over, grab the yarn, pull it through. You just keep on doing this.